Hello! We're gonna do another meal plan. I know I missed last week. I don't remember. Oh, I remember why I missed it. I missed it because I was sick. I ended up by getting heat exhaustion, so I made no videos for this last week. None, because I was not putting any effort into it. I was putting effort into healing. Alright, so today, Sunday, July 31st, because I'm filming it the day I'm posting it. Today's my birthday. It's a takeout night because I'm not cooking. Plain and simple. I don't feel like cooking. That's how we're having it, and I'm hoping everyone can kind of see a little bit. Okay. Then Monday I work. We're gonna do BLTs because we have bacon and we have lettuce and we have tomato. You know, we got all the stuff for doing BLTs. And then we're going to have nachos or tacos on Tuesday. Nice easy meal. Again, everybody's working that day, so it just works out really good to do it that way. This is going to be another kind of like takeout night, box dinner. Oops. And that's just because we have an extra child for the rest of the week, and they're planning on going out and, you know, doing girly things. So we're just gonna let them do that. Saturday, I'm home. I think I'm home anyway. That plans could change. So we're gonna do pork chops, rice, and veggies. Saturday or Wednesday might be possibly another takeout night. Actually, I'm gonna change this around just a little bit. I'm gonna put the pork chops here because my husband's home, so my husband can cook. Pork chops, rice, and veggies. And then I will cook up the drumsticks on Saturday. I don't know if I'll do breaded or if I'll just, you know, put them up on the barbecue. I'm not really 100% sure. Drumsticks. There'll be some type of potatoes, veggies, possibly a salad, you know. But yeah, I'm just going to put a takeout here because I have a feeling that's what's going to end up by being, because we're going to be in the car for 4 hours in total that day. No one is really going to feel like cooking, so we'll just put takeout. Here we go. Yeah, you know, this is just kind of what our dinners kind of look like sometimes. Nice, easy takeout, pick up your own. We got box frozen meals. So whenever I put takeout or box dinners, it's, you know, frozen pizzas or, you know, chicken nuggets, like that kind of thing. Or people just go and buy pizza or whatever. Or sushi. You know, it just all depends on what they want. Okay, so there we go. There is our meal plan for the week, because we don't really have a lot going on this week, but we have an extra person and a little bit of driving. Oh, nice and easy. BLTs, nachos, pork chops, and drumsticks, and then takeout for the rest of the time. Okay, so hope everyone enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.